Hey YouTube, I hope this video helps you, and please check out my playlist, Evidence for Christianity and End Times, considering the times that we're in. There's a whole lot of misinformation out there because people aren't considering what it meant for the people that lived in those days. So please check them out. I'll have the links in the description. Enjoy. Alright, time to replace the surface light on the GE microwave I have here. As you can see, it's on high, but nothing's coming on. Low, nothing's on. Off. So that's the light that's right there, and I'll show you how to replace that and what I replace it with. I'm going to be putting in LED lights instead of the halogen bulbs that are in it originally, and also you got to make sure that you get the correct LED lights. If you're going to use LED, you got to get the ones that are dimmable. So I'll show you the ones that I bought for this. Let's get started. Alright, so here's the LED bulbs that I got. They're a G8 light, and I'll leave a link in the description to show you exactly which ones I got. So let's go ahead and get this cover off. We got a screw right here we want to take out. Whoa, be careful not to lose that. Alright, we can just leave that little trap door swinging open there. So the old bulbs, they just pull out. And as you can see on the old bulbs, they have the barbs for the electrical connections, and then it also have this thin glass layer, as you can see there. So I had to make sure to get my LED bulbs had to have this thin end on it. A lot of them have a round end on it, because if it's not you know, flat like that, it won't go up inside these sockets, because they got a part that the flat end has to go up into. So there you go, they're up in all the way. They just push it in. Alright, let's test it out. Oh yeah. Works perfect. High, low, off. Close your trap door here, put the screw in, and you're done. And you can strip out this hole if you tighten up the screw too much, so you don't really need to put a whole lot of torque on it. Just get it tight. Doesn't even need to be real tight. Just get it to where it feels snug, and then stop. Thanks for watching.